Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more creative videos on Streamlit framework. Up till now we have gone through many videos on image detection using deface library, using fair library and MTCNN library. All videos were executed on the command prompt. Today's video we are going to see image detection using Streamlit web app. So I will be done image detection on the browser. So let us go through the program in detail. First of all, this is the code. Now I will execute the program. Yes, image is taken. Yes, here face is detected, one eye is detected, then two eyes are detected, face is detected, then two eyes and nose are detected. Yes, and mouth is detected. Yes, I have successfully done with image detection using Streamlit on web app. Face is detected, eyes are detected, nose is detected and mouth is detected. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends.